3, 2, 1.
Which unit of time equals 1 million seconds? The answer is D, second. Which of these animals is not a mammal? The answer is C, platypus. The posterior pituitary is an extension of what anatomical structure? The answer is D, hypothalamus. Which type of lavas are less viscous and erupt effusively? The answer is C, mafic. I'm a tool that helps you draw perfect lines. You can't color or write with me. What am I? The answer is B, compass. Which of these is the official language of Algeria? The answer is D, Arabic. In this movie, Pacino holds up a bank in Brooklyn, New York to pay for his lover's sex change operation. What was the name of this classic Pacino flick? The answer is A, Dog Day Afternoon. Which musical instrument is also a type of percussion? The answer is A, xylophone. Who is responsible for the signature animations in the show Monty Python's Flying Circus? The answer is B, Terry Gilliam. Which is a type of cell membrane? The answer is A, plasma membrane. What were the first vertebrates to evolve? The answer is B, fish. How many Japanese emperors were there from the end of the feudal period in 1868 to 1989, when Akihito acceded to the throne? The answer is C, 4. What huge action movie star starred as the twin brother of Danny DeVito in the 1988 comedy movie Twins? The answer is A, Arnold Schwarzenegger. What is the official one-word state motto of the U.S. state of Wisconsin? The answer is B, forward. The strength of what depends on the concentration of hydrogen ions it produces when dissolved in water. The answer is A, acid. Melting, sublimation, and evaporation absorb what from their surroundings? The answer is C, heat. Lipitor and Zucker are two popular brand names which fall under what class of cholesterol-lowering drugs? The answer is A, statins. I'm a type of pasta that's long and thin, and I often come with tomato sauce. What am I? The answer is C, spaghetti. I show you reality, fiction, past, present, and future, but I don't have a lens or a shutter. What am I? The answer is C, prophet. Joyce is conducting a traffic survey and needs to find out how many cars cross the crosswalk in the morning before the school bell rings. How should she collect this data? The answer is A. Make a tally chart. Which of these does not describe Billie Jean's appearance in Bob Weir's song Mexicali Blues? The answer is B. An anklet made of gold. What is yesterday, today, and tomorrow but never holds gold? The answer is A. Calendar. I'm light years away, yet I'm with you right now. What am I? The answer is C. Time. Origami is a hobby and an art of Chinese origin that uses solely what material for its creations? The answer is C. Paper. When the roller coaster rolls onto a flat section of track, what force would ultimately bring it to a stop if no other forces are added? The answer is C. Friction. Which type of chair does not have a backrest? The answer is B. Rocking chair. What was the cause of Ted Kennedy's death? The answer is C. Cancer. Which of the following statements most correctly describes Puddleglum the Marshwiggle's outlook on life in C.S. Lewis' book The Silver Chair? The answer is D. He is a pessimist, but is usually proved wrong. Which search engine was created by Larry Page and Sergey Brin at Stanford University in 1998? The answer is B. Google. What is the most common gas in Earth's atmosphere? The answer is C. Nitrogen. What is Peter Petrella's power on the TV show Heroes? The answer is A. Power absorption. What year was UL Blackwell elected to the Reds Hall of Fame? The answer is D. 1960. Which has a child that will miss out on being a pupa? The answer is D. A giraffe. What type of wave is sound? The answer is A. Longitudinal. Which of the following players has not hit over 50 home runs in a single MLB season? The answer is A. All of them have accomplished this feat. Which likely would win in a race? The answer is D. An orca. What is the name of the cotton fabric named for a city in India made from unbleached and often not fully processed cotton? The answer is C. Calico. What is the word for a group of starlings? The answer is A. A murmuration. Which Asian country is home to the Great Wall? The answer is B. China. Who portrayed the town drunk Louis Feeders in the Gunsmoke TV series? The answer is A. James Nusser. Which of the following parts of a plant cell has a function that is most similar to the function of an animal skeleton? The answer is B. Cell wall. Which is not a prime number between 2-10? The answer is A. 4. What book in the popular Harry Potter series contains a chapter titled The Seven Potters? The answer is C. Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. Electromagnetic spectrum is the full spectrum of radiant energy, which is energy emitted and transmitted as what? The answer is A. Waves. What kind of machine does Kip hook Napoleon up to in the comedy hit movie Napoleon Dynamite? The answer is C. Time machine. Which is the capital of India? The answer is B. Delhi. Which designer is known for creating the safety pin dress? The answer is A. Vivienne Westwood. I'm full of secrets, hidden beneath the waves. What am I? The answer is D. Ocean. Which character from Pirates of the Caribbean said the following words, "What do you say to 3 shillings, and we forget the name"? The answer is C. Jack Sparrow. Which of these drinks would you associate with Japan?